3.
My name is T. Suryalaka Charandeep. My English project is number in words. ELEVEN 11 dices. TWELVE 12 ladders. THIRTEEN 13 mugs. FOURTEN 14 pencils. FIFTEN 15 combs. SIXTEN 16 logs. SEVEN 17 balloons. EIGHT 8 TEN 18 rings. NINGTEN 19 balls. TWENTY 20 books. Thank you.